This video will show you how to make basic selection of an axial fan in Systemair Configurator program. Please enter air volume. You can change units. Configurator will make the calculation for you. Enter pressure value, and program is already showing proposed list of fans. You can choose between standard fan, fan suitable for higher temperatures, for smoke extraction, or explosion-proof fan. Here you can select voltage and frequency. Under this question mark, you will find a full explanation of the fan code. Diameter, number of blades, temperature, voltage and frequency, and many other fan parameters. Take a look on the boxes. Those are the best values in the category. Under the settings icon, you can edit list of shown parameters. If you click on the column title, you can sort the items, for example, by total efficiency value. Before choosing the winner, it's possible to select up to 4 fans for comparison. Take a look at the graphs and compare listed parameters. Colors of the graphs show efficiency zones of the fan range. The darker the color, the higher the efficiency. And the dark dot is a maximum efficiency of this particular fan. Here I'm choosing highest efficiency and lowest sound level. Now you can see your fan in 3D model with possible accessories. On the top envelopes, you can see fan description, dimensions, and additional configuration where you can adjust your selection. If you select more than one fan, you can add a name for each of them. Here you can see quotation, wiring diagram, and related documents. To generate selection report, it's possible to choose file format, language of the document, and give the file name. Choose what information the document should contain, and voila! Your selection report is done.